So in this problem, we're dealing with a baby holding a helium balloon, and currently the balloon is 5 feet off the ground. Now it also says once the baby lets go of the balloon, it rises at a rate of 2 feet per second. The question is, how high would the balloon be after 1 minute? Well, let's try and figure out the equation that would help us here. Now we know that the balloon starts 5 feet off the ground. So right off the bat, it's already 5 feet up in the air. And then as it's rising, that means it's gaining elevation. So we're going to be adding, and it goes up at a rate of 2 feet per second. Now remember, per means to multiply. So we're going to let x represent our variable that we don't know, but we're going to multiply 2 times our variable x. For example, if it rose for 5 seconds, we would do 2 feet times 5 seconds to get the amount of feet it rose up there. But we do need to take into account the fact that it started 5 feet up in the air already. Now, the question is, how high would the balloon be after 1 minute? Well, of course, 1 minute is also 60 seconds. So to figure out how much it rises in 60 seconds, we would do 60 times 2. But then, of course, we also have to add that initial 5 feet. Now for part B here, how long would it take for the balloon to reach the edge of our atmosphere? We're going to have to work backwards. So we're going to use our equation 5 plus 2x, which represents the amount that the balloon is going up. But we want it to match the height of the edge of our atmosphere, which is 39,370 feet. So now we've got an equation, and you got to try to solve for x. And then that will tell us how long it took for the balloon to reach that height.